In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map section to your Shopify theme, whether you're highlighting a storefront, a pickup point, or an event location. Adding a map helps customers find you quickly and builds trust by showing you're a real, reachable business. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. This is where all of your design work happens. You'll see your current theme at the top. We'll make all our changes using the theme editor so you can see updates as you go. Click Customize on your current theme. This opens the visual editor with a live preview on the right and your sections and settings in the left sidebar. The editor lets you add, edit, and rearrange content without touching code, which keeps things safe and straightforward. Next, click Add Section in the left sidebar and select Map. If you don't see it immediately, use the search box to type Map and choose the built-in option your theme provides. When you add the map section, it appears in your section list and in the preview. You can usually drag it up or down to place it exactly where you want, like near your contact details or footer. Now enter your desired location and information. In the map settings, type your address or business name. As you type, Shopify will try to match it and position the pin. Add a clear heading like Visit Us, and include helpful details such as a street address, neighborhood, or parking tips. Some themes also let you adjust zoom level, map height, or style for better readability. Keep your text concise and double-check spelling so customers don't get confused. If you're prompted to paste a Google Maps API key, place it up into the designated field. Not every theme requires this, but some do to load Google Maps reliably. An API key is a unique code from Google that authorizes the map to display. If you need one, you can create it in your Google Cloud account and restrict it to Maps usage and your domain for security. Keep your key private and store it safely. Finally, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the theme, and your map will be ready for customers. Give the page a quick scan to confirm the PIN is correct, the text looks clean, and the section sits in a logical spot. If anything seems off, you can adjust the settings right away and save again. That's it. Your Shopify store now features a clear professional map section that helps